Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the basics, which OS version you're running, and whether you have the image or animation ready. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Personalization, or, on older systems, Control Panel right arrow appearance. Make sure to locate the Lock Screen or Screensaver Configuration section. That's where you begin selecting options. You want to be in the right panel before modifying anything so changes apply correctly. This avoids wasted steps and prevents conflicting settings later. Now choose the saver type: a slideshow for photos, a built-in animation, or a custom executable. You'll configure key parameters, set the wait time in minutes so the saver triggers when expected, choose which monitor it runs on, and align power settings so the display doesn't sleep too soon. Preview the saver to confirm appearance and behavior, and set password on resume if security matters. Make sure each choice matches your workflow so the saver complements, not interrupts, your daily use. Finish by saving your settings and immediately testing. Either wait the set time or manually trigger the screensaver to confirm it activates correctly. If it fails, check common causes: outdated graphics drivers, a power plan that turns off displays, or background apps that prevent idle state. Make sure to restart the machine after driver updates. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable third-party utilities that manage displays or lock screens, because they often override built-in screensaver behavior and cause conflicts.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.